Hey kitchen lovers, ready to discover the coolest Amazon gadgets that everyone's raving about? These time-saving, problem-solving tools will make cooking easier, faster, and way more fun. And trust me, some are so affordable, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without them. Stick around because an incredible surprise item is just ahead and you don't want to miss it. Number 1. Instant Read. Meat Thermometer. This handy device gives you quick, accurate temperature readings in seconds, eliminating guesswork. It's perfect for ensuring your meats are safe and cooked just right, preventing dry or undercooked dishes that can ruin a meal. It solves the common frustration of over or undercooking, making every meal consistently perfect. What makes this thermometer so popular? Its rapid response time and easy-to-read digital display. No more cutting into your meat or relying on timing alone. Thousands of home chefs love how it boosts their cooking precision, reduces waste, and guarantees juicy, flavorful results every time. Number 2. Electric salt and pepper grinder set. No more manually grinding spices. Just press a button and enjoy freshly ground salt and pepper in seconds. Its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. It solves the hassle of uneven spices and tired hands during meal prep, making flavoring effortless and fun. The key benefit? Freshly ground spices deliver superior flavor and aroma, transforming everyday dishes into culinary delight. Many busy cooks and food enthusiasts swear by this set because it's quick, consistent, and adds a touch of sophistication to their table. Number 3. Food Kitchen Scale. This is an essential tool for anyone serious about precise cooking and baking. Whether you're measuring ingredients for a delicate cake or portioning meals for meal prep, this digital scale provides accurate readings down to the gram. It solves the common problem of inconsistent results caused by eyeballing ingredients, helping you follow recipes precisely. What's the main advantage? Its easy-to-use interface and sleek design make measuring quick and straightforward. Thousands of home chefs and bakers rely on this scale to improve their culinary accuracy, reduce waste, and produce perfect dishes every time. Number 4. Vegetable Chopper. 10-in-1 Theus is a versatile kitchen multitasker that combines slicing, dicing, chopping, and spiralizing into one compact device. It's perfect for salads, stir-fries, or making veggie noodles for a healthier lifestyle. Its multiple blades and functions mean you can prep ingredients in a fraction of the time it takes with traditional knives. The key benefit? Time-saving efficiency and reduced mess. Its ergonomic design makes chopping and spiralizing effortless, even for beginners. Many health-conscious families and busy cooks love this because it encourages more vegetable intake and makes meal prep more enjoyable. Number 5. Digital Meat Thermometer. This is a reliable device that ensures your meats reach the perfect internal temperature, whether grilling, roasting, or smoking. Unlike traditional thermometers, this digital version provides instant reading. It helps you achieve juicy, tender results while ensuring safety standards are met, preventing foodborne illness. What's the main benefit? Its fast response and precise readings give you confidence in your cooking. Thousands of home cooks and barbecue enthusiasts rely on this thermometer daily because it turns cooking meat into a foolproof process, ensuring every bite is perfect. Number 6. Smart Bluetooth Meat Thermometer. This kitchen gadget takes your grilling and roasting to a whole new level. This wireless device connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to monitor your meat's temperature remotely. It provides real-time updates and notifications, so you don't need to hover by the grill. It's perfect for outdoor cooking, smoking, or slow roasting. The key benefit? Hands-free convenience and precise control. It guarantees perfectly cooked meat every time without constant supervision. Many outdoor grilling aficionados love this because it reduces the risk of overcooking and helps achieve restaurant-quality results. Number 7. Chicken Shredder. Large. This is a simple yet revolutionary tool for shredding cooked chicken or pork in seconds. Just insert your meat into the large claws, squeeze, and watch as perfectly shredded, tender meat pours out. It's a huge time saver compared to pulling apart meat with forks. What makes this so popular? Its ease of use and no-mess design. You don't need to get your hands greasy or use multiple utensils. Many busy home cooks and meal prep enthusiasts rely on this tool because it reduces preparation time and makes shredded meat uniformly tender and ready to serve. Number 8. Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer. This is a dual-function marvel that makes preparing vegetables fast and fun. Its Spiralizer creates beautiful veggie noodle, while its chopper slices and dices with ease. Whether you're making zucchini noodle or prepping ingredients for a stir-fry, fry, this gadget simplifies the process and minimizes cleanup. The main benefit? Versatility and speed. It encourages healthy eating by making vegetable dishes more appealing and accessible. Many health-conscious families and busy cooks love this because it inspires creative, nutritious meals and drastically cuts down prep time. Number 9. Silicone Ice Cube Trays with Lids. It's perfect for making large ice cubes, freezing herbs, or storing broth and juices. The flexible silicone makes ice removal easy, and the lids keep your ice fresh and prevent freezer odor. It solves the common problem of messy, unorganized ice storage and slow ice making. What's the main advantage? Ease of use and organization. The trays stack neatly in the freezer, and the lids prevent spills and contamination. Many hosts and bartenders love these because they produce slow-melting ice that keeps drinks cold longer and elevates their beverage present. Number 10. All-Purpose Kitchen. These heavy-duty scissors are designed to cut through poultry, herbs, packaging, or even pizza crusts with ease. Their sharp blades and comfortable handles make them versatile and reliable for a variety of tasks, from trimming fat to snipping fresh herbs. What's the key benefit? Strength and safety. They eliminate the need for multiple knives, reduce clutter, and make prep work faster. Many home cooks and professional chefs depend on these because they're durable, multifunctional, and turn a tedious task into a quick, safe, and clean process. Number 11. Rotary Cheese Grater Fruit Slicer. This is a compact, efficient device that makes shredding cheese and slicing fruits effortless. Its rotary mechanism allows you to grate or slice with minimal effort, producing uniform results in seconds. It's perfect for salads, pasta, or garnishing dishes, and reduces waste by keeping everything neat. The key benefit? Speed and cleanliness. Its simple design means easy cleaning and minimal mess. Many home cooks and professional chefs love this because it speeds up food prep, making toppings and garnishes look professional while saving time. It's a kitchen tool that combines efficiency with precision. Number 12. Tabletop Indoor Electric S'mores Maker. This kitchen gadget is a fun way to enjoy the classic treat indoors any time of year. It heats and toasts marshmallows and melts chocolate quickly, creating perfect s'mores without the need for an outdoor fire. It's perfect for family nights, parties, or cozy evenings, turning dessert into a memorable experience. What's the main benefit? Fun and convenience. No more searching for sticks or setting up a fire pit. Just assemble, toast, and indulge. Thousands of families love this because it makes dessert time interactive and special, bringing the joy of camping into their own home and creating lasting memory. Number 13. Multifunction Can Opener. The kitchen gadget is a durable, easy-to-use kitchen tool that opens cans smoothly and safely. Its ergonomic handle provides leverage, making it easier for everyone, including those with limited strength, to open cans without slipping or risking cuts. It's a safer alternative to traditional openers, especially for elderly or arthritic users. The key benefit? Safety and durability. It turns a frustrating, potentially dangerous task into a quick, safe activity. Many home cooks and caregivers swear by this because it's built to last, simplifies prep, and reduces accidental injury, giving peace of mind and making kitchen tasks easier for everyone. Number 14. Electric Milk Frother for Coffee. This is a small, powerful gadget that creates rich, frothy milk for your favorite coffee drink. Whether you enjoy lattes, cappuccinos, or hot chocolates, this frother whips up cafe-quality foam in seconds. Its sleek design fits easily on your countertop, making mornings more indulgent and fun. What's the main advantage? Elevating your coffee experience. It transforms plain milk into velvety foam, bringing a barista touch to your home brew. Thousands of coffee lovers rely on this because it's quick, easy, and makes every cup feel special, turning an ordinary morning into a delightful ritual. Number 15. DualSided Meat Tenderizer. This is a versatile tool that speeds up marinating and tenderizes tougher cuts of meat. One side features textured blades for breaking down fibers, while the other smooths and flattens meat. It makes meat more tender, flavorful, and ready for cooking in less time. The key benefit? Efficiency and improved flavor. It turns tough cuts into tender, juicy dishes with less marinating, saving you time and effort. Many home chefs and grilling enthusiasts love this because it results in more flavorful, melt-in-your-mouth meats, elevating everyday meals to restaurant quality. Number 16. Heat-Resistant Silicone Oven Mitts. These kitchen gadgets are an essential for handling hot dishes safely. Their flexible silicone exterior provides a secure grip, while their heat resistance protects your hands from burns when baking, roasting, or grilling. They're designed to withstand high temperatures and provide comfort during heavy-duty tasks. What's the main benefit? safety, and durability. These mitts make handling hot items safer and more comfortable, reducing the risk of accident. Thousands of bakers and grillers depend on these because they last for years, are easy to clean, and provide confidence when working with high heat, making every cooking session safer and more enjoyable. Number 17. Reusable Non-Stick Silicone Baking Mat. This baking mat replaces parchment paper and foil, offering a non-stick surface for baking and roasting. Its flexible, durable design ensures even baking, and it's easy to clean. Just rinse or wipe. It solves the wastefulness of disposable liners and makes baking more eco-friendly. The key benefit? Cost savings and environmental impact. It's reusable, produces consistent results, and reduces waste. Many bakers swear by this because it simplifies cleanup, prevents sticking, and saves money over time. It turns baking into a cleaner, greener, and more efficient experience for home cooks and professionals alike. Number 18. Magnetic Measuring Spoon. This kitchen gadget is a space-saving marvel that keeps your measuring spoons organized and accessible. The magnets hold the spoons together, reducing clutter in your drawer. Made from durable, precise materials, they're perfect for liquids and dry ingredients, making measurements quick and accurate. What's the benefit? Organization and accuracy. It's a favorite among home cooks who want quick, reliable measurements without fuss. Many users love how it streamlines their cooking and baking routines, saves space, and ensures each recipe is perfectly measured for consistent results every time. Number 19. IQSense Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. This is an innovative device that connects wirelessly to your smartphone. It allows you to monitor your meat's temperature in real time from anywhere in your home or yard. It provides alerts when your target temperature is reached, making it perfect for busy cooks and outdoor grillers. The main advantage? Precision and peace of mind. It guarantees your meat is cooked perfectly every time, without constant supervision. Thousands of grilling enthusiasts and home chefs rely on this because it removes the guesswork, prevents overcooking, and elevates their culinary results to professional standards. Number 20. Wooden Cooking Spoon Set. Heat resistant. The cooking spoons set combines durability with rustic charm. These wooden spoons are ideal for stirring, serving, and mixing hot dishes without damaging non-stick cookware. Their heat resistance and ergonomic handles make cooking more comfortable and safer. What's the key's benefit? Longevity and style. They last for years, add aesthetic appeal, and are gentle on delicate pans. Many home cooks and hosts love this set because it makes cooking more enjoyable, adds a warm touch to their kitchen, and helps them prepare and serve meals with ease and elegance. Number 21. Glass Oil Sprayer for Cooking with Stickers. This kitchen gadget is a simple, effective way to evenly distribute oil on pans, salads, or grilled foods. Fill it with your preferred oil and spray with control. Its transparent design allows you to see the oil level, avoiding overuse. The stickers help identify different oils or flavored infusions. What's the main benefit? Controlled, healthier cooking. It helps prevent excess oil consumption and ensures even coverage. Many health-conscious cooks love this because it promotes better eating habits, reduces waste, and makes oil application quick and mess-free, turning everyday cooking into a healthier experience. Number 22. Silicone Kitchen Cooking Utensil. The Silicone Kitchen cooking utensil set includes spatulas, spoons, and tongs made from heat-resistant silicone. These utensils are flexible, safe for non-stick cookware, and easy to clean. Whether flipping eggs, stirring sauces, or serving salads, this set covers all your needs. What's the benefit? Versatility and durability. They withstand high temperatures without melting or warping, and their non-scratch surfaces protect your cookware. Many home cooks and professional chefs love these because they make cooking and serving easier, safer, and more stylish, turning everyday kitchen tasks into enjoyable moments. Number 23. Heat-resistant nylon meat and potato masher. This is a sturdy, practical tool for mashing hot food. Its heat-resistant nylon construction prevents melting, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during use. It's perfect for creating smooth mashed potatoes, pureed vegetable, or refried beans. What's the key benefit? Strength and safety. It simplifies mashing and reduces hand fatigue, making meal prep faster. Many home cooks and busy families love this because it helps them produce creamy, restaurant-quality dishes with ease, turning simple ingredients into comfort food quickly. Number 24. Pack of 2 Silicone Solid Turner Spatula. Pack of 2 Silicone Solid Turner Spatulas are essential for flipping, serving, and scraping in the kitchen. Their flexible silicone heads won't scratch non-stick surfaces, and they're heat-resistant enough for high-temperature cooking. Dishwashers are safe, they're easy to clean and store. What's the main benefit? Ease and longevity. These spatulas are versatile, durable, and maintain their shape over time. Many cooks love how they simplify cooking and cleaning, making everyday tasks more efficient while safeguarding their cookware and ensuring every dish turns out perfect. Number 25. Wooden cutting boards for meal prep and serving. Wooden cutting boards for meal prep and serving combine practicality with aesthetic appeal. Their sturdy, natural wood construction makes chopping, slicing, and serving easy. They're perfect for prepping ingredients or presenting cheeses, charcuterie, and appetizers at parties, adding a rustic elegance to any table. What's the benefit? Durability and style. They last for years and are gentle on knives, preventing dulling. Many hosts and home cooks love these because they're functional, beautiful, and versatile, making food prep more enjoyable and serving more impressive. Number 26. Parchment paper sheets. Pre-cut, non-stick. Parchment paper sheets, pre-cut, non-stick, are a baker's best friend. These individually cut sheets eliminate the hassle of trimming or cutting parchment, providing a non-stick surface for baking cookies, roasting vegetable, or lining pans. They're disposable, mess-free, and perfect for quick cleanups. What's the main benefit? Convenience and clean baking. They save time, reduce waste, and prevent sticking, making cleanup effortless. Many bakers swear by these because they produce consistent, professional results while turning baking into a less stressful, more enjoyable activity. Number 27. Kitchen sink, drain strainer, and sink stopper. The kitchen sink, drain strainer, and sink stopper combo is designed to keep your drain clog-free by trapping food particles and debris. The fine mesh catches waste while still allowing water to flow freely. It's easy to install, remove, and clean, preventing costly plumbing issues. What's the benefit? Hygiene and convenience. It saves you from messy, slow drains and costly repairs. Many homeowners and busy cooks love this because it keeps their kitchen running smoothly and hygienically, making cleanup faster and preventing plumbing emergencies. Number 28. SoftHandled Manual Can Opener. This kitchen gadget is designed for effortless, comfortable use. Its ergonomic, soft grip handle reduces hand fatigue and provides control while opening cans. Its sharp blade cuts smoothly through metal without slipping or tearing, making it safer, especially for those with limited strength or arthritis. What's the main benefit? Safety and ease. It transforms a usually frustrating task into a quick, safe activity. Many home cooks and seniors rely on this because it lasts, performs reliably, and makes opening cans less stressful, bringing peace of mind to everyday kitchen tasks. Number 29. Electric salt and pepper grinder set. This kitchen gadget is a sleek upgrade to your spice collection. With push-button operation and adjustable coarseness, it grinds fresh salt and pepper effortlessly. Its modern design and long-lasting batteries make seasoning quick and consistent, enhancing every meal with freshly ground spices. What's the benefit? Freshness and convenience. It elevates your dishes by ensuring maximum flavor and aroma. Many home chefs and professional cooks swear by this because it simplifies seasoning, reduces prep time, and guarantees a burst of flavor in every bite. Number 30. Good Grips Salad Spinner. The salad spinner is a must-have for washing and drying greens quickly. Its easy-to-press handle spins water off fresh produce, leaving salads crisp and ready to serve. It's simple, effective, and a lifesaver for busy meal prep or entertaining. What's the main advantage? Freshness and efficiency. It cuts drying time and prevents soggy salads, making meal prep faster and more enjoyable. Thousands of health-conscious home cooks and food lovers rely on this because it keeps greens crisp and salads looking professional, transforming everyday salads into special dining experience. Thanks for hanging out. If you loved these must-have kitchen gadgets, don't forget to hit subscribe. There's more awesome stuff coming your way. And stay tuned because that final item, it's a total game changer you'll wish you knew about sooner.